Fasten your seatbelts, we are about to embark on an epic journey. Destination: the edge of the observable universe, our vessel imagination, the most powerful spacecraft ever conceived. We start at home, Earth. This pale blue dot, teeming with life, is our launch pad. As we ascend, Earth shrinks below. Cities become pinpricks of light. Continents morph into puzzle pieces on a blue marble. Our journey takes us past the moon, a silver sliver in the black void. Mars, the red planet, beckons with the promise of ancient secrets. We swing by Jupiter, a swirling giant with its retinue of moons. Leaving the last planet behind, we cross the solar system's boundary. Out here, the sun, our star, is a distant but comforting presence. Its light, once so powerful, diminishes with every passing mile. We pass the Voyager probes, silent sentinels hurtling into the unknown. Further still lies the Oort cloud, a vast sphere of icy debris, marking the true outer limits of the sun's gravitational embrace. The vastness of space is humbling. The distances are so immense that we measure them in light years. The distance light travels in a year. Even at the speed of light, our journey will take billions of years. Our cosmic path takes us into the Milky Way, our home galaxy. From afar, it's a majestic spiral of billions of stars, gas, and dust. Up close, it's a celestial carnival of wonders. We encounter nebulae, vast clouds of gas and dust where stars are born. Pulsars, rapidly rotating neutron stars, flash like cosmic lighthouses. Black holes, regions of spacetime where gravity's pull is inescapable, lurk in the shadows. Our journey through the Milky Way is a reminder of the universe's dynamism. Stars are born, live, and die in a constant cycle of cosmic creation and destruction. Leaving the Milky Way behind, we enter intergalactic space. Here the darkness is profound, the emptiness almost unbearable. Galaxies, once so numerous, are now distant islands of light. But as we venture further, we encounter clusters of galaxies bound together by gravity's invisible hand. These clusters in turn form superclusters, vast cosmic structures stretching across millions of light-years. The universe, we discover, is not randomly scattered. It's a tapestry woven from galaxies, clusters, and superclusters, interconnected by gravity's subtle influence. As we approach the edge of the observable universe, something strange happens. The galaxies we see look different, stretched and distorted. Time itself seems to slow down. We are witnessing the effects of the universe's expansion. Light from these distant galaxies has been stretched, its wavelength increased, a phenomenon known as redshift. And because the universe is expanding, we are looking back in time, seeing these galaxies as they were billions of years ago. Finally, we reach the cosmic microwave background, a faint afterglow of the Big Bang, the event that marked the birth of our universe. This is the edge of the observable universe, the limit of what we can see. What lies beyond this cosmic horizon? No one knows for sure. Some theories suggest there might be more universe, perhaps infinite in extent. Others propose the existence of a multiverse, a collection of universes, each with its own unique laws of physics. The possibilities are endless and tantalizing. But for now, they remain firmly in the realm of speculation. Our journey to the edge of the universe has been awe-inspiring and humbling. It has shown us the vastness of creation, the incredible power of nature, and the sheer improbability of our own existence. As we stand at the edge of the known, we are reminded that the universe is full of mysteries, waiting to be unraveled. The quest to understand our place in the cosmos is a journey without end, a journey that continues to inspire and challenge us. The edge of the universe is not a barrier, but a beginning. It is a frontier of knowledge, a cosmic invitation to explore, to wonder, and to dream.